So let's move on to the backend services. Our serverless toolkit. Let's look at it. To build our backend without managing physical servers, we use a serverless approach. Our toolkit consists of Firebase authentication for logins. It consists of Cloud Firestore for our databases. It contains Cloud Functions for our server-side code and Razorpay for payments. This allows us to focus on features and not infrastructures. So let's look at Firebase, Firestore, and Cloud Functions. Firebase is the core of our backend. We use authentication for secure logins. We use Firestore as our source of truth for storing user subscription data and so on. And we use Cloud Functions as our server brains. This is where our critical security logic lives, like our verify Razorpay payment function, which confirms a payment directly with Razorpay's server before updating a user's subscription in our database, which is Firestore.